Good morning, class. Today we will start the next chapter named Simple Interest. Okay, what the name, beta? Simple Interest. Okay, in this chapter we are just going to discuss about the few points. What is a simple interest? Terms related to the simple interest and calculation of the simple interest. Got it? So we will start the first topic, simple interest. Okay, anyone can tell me how can we define the simple interest? Okay, simple interest as the interest paid on the principal amount at the uniform rate and for a fixed loan period. You know what the meaning is there? Simple interest is a interest, okay, paid on the principal amount at the uniform rate and for a fixed loan period. मीन्स सिंपल इंटरेस्ट जो होता है बेटा वो हमारा क्या होता है? वी कैन से दैट ओनली इंटरेस्ट इज देयर. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज व्हाट? इंटरेस्ट इज देयर. और ये सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कैसा होता है? जो इनिशियल अमाउंट हमारे पास होता है, ठीक है, आइदर वी विल टेक द इनिशियल अमाउंट एज अ बोरोड अमाउंट or we will take the initial amount from the loan as a loan, or we will take some amount, okay, with respect to the another person, okay, with respect to the bank, or as well as borrowed amount. Okay, so these are known as the initial amount. After that, when we return this initial amount, suppose that after 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 year, okay, we will return this amount at the rate of 8%, 10%, 20%, whatever. Okay, so when we return the amount, this one is known as final amount. Okay, so final amount is equal to what? Initial amount plus interest. Got it? Means I want to say that बेटा कि जब हम किसी से कोई अमाउंट उधार लेते हैं, ठीक है, सपोज दैट 1 साल के लिए आपने ले लिया, 2 साल के लिए आपने ले लिया. अब 2 साल के बाद आपको जो अमाउंट आपने उधार लिया था वो आपको क्या करना है? रिटर्न करना है, ठीक है. बट व्हाट अ सर्टेन कंडीशन इज देयर. एक सर्टेन कंडीशन होती है जब कोई हमें अमाउंट एज अ लोन या उधार के रूप में देता है तो 8% का ब्याज वो लेता है, ठीक है. सपोज दैट वी आर टेकिंग 100 रुपीज़ एज अ बोरोड अमाउंट, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर जो बोरोड अमाउंट है वो हमारा क्या? दैट इज़ द इनिशियल अमाउंट. गॉट इट. अब 8% का ब्याज, ठीक है, उस व्यक्ति ने हमारे ऊपर लगाया. तो 8% ऑफ 800 इज वॉट? देन यू कैन से सर 8 रुपीज़ इज देयर. ओके, सो after 1 year when we return the amount, then we will not return the amount as the initial amount. Means what? 100 rupees we will not return. We will return 100 plus the amount which is equal to the 8% of the initial amount. Then what? 100 plus 8, 108 we will return. Rupees 108 we will return. Okay, so this one is what? This one is total amount and the rate is what? 8%. This one is known as simple interest. Got it? After that, how can we finalize simple interest? Okay, simple interest is also known as, simply you can say interest is there. Okay, principal borrowed amount is what? The initial amount, and this one is also known as the principal. R for rate. Rate means what? Okay, what percentage, at what percent you take the money? 8%, 5%, 10%, whatever. Okay, and T is equal to what? Time. Got it? Here the time is given in year. Okay, if this one is given in month, then we will convert the time in year. अगर टाइम जो है हमारा बेटा समय में दिया गया है, ठीक है, अगर टाइम हमारा मंथ में दिया गया है, सॉरी, तो उस मंथ को हम ईयर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? 12 month is equal to 1 year. Okay, then 1 month is equal to what? 1/12 year. Suppose that 8 month is given, then 1/12 into 8. Okay, so interest is given annually. Okay, why we are doing so? We are doing so because interest is given annually. Okay, either for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. That's why the time, if it is given in month, then we will convert in year. I think all of you understood. Okay, so how can we determine SI? SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, one conclusion is there. SI is directly proportional to the principal or the initial amount. Okay, if initial amount of principal will increases, then the interest or the simple interest will increases. If the rate will increases, okay, then the simple interest will increases. If the time period will increases, then the simple interest will increase. Means regarding to these three parameters, if any one of them will increase or all of them will increase, then the value of SI, which one is taking the form of simple interest, this one is also increases. Got it? Okay, so how can we calculate SI? SI is equal to what? P into R into T upon 100. Okay, when you do the calculation, then rate is given in percent. Okay, but we will not use percent. Why? Because here this one is given. Either you want to use R percent, R by 100, or you want to use the value of R only. Why? Because here 100 is given. Okay, the product of the whole parameter, okay, is divided by 100. So that's why if R is given 8%, then we will use only 8, not percent. Okay, why? Because here percent 100 is given here. Understood? I think all of you understood. Now see, the next one is there, terms related to the simple interest. The first one is principal. Okay, principal is denoted by P. This principal is also known as what? The initial amount. Okay, the sum of money borrowed from the bank or the money lender is called the principal. वो अमाउंट जो हम किसी बैंक से या किसी मनी लेंडर से, ठीक है, बोरोड करते हैं, उधार लेते हैं, ठीक है, और वो हमारा क्या होता है? इनिशियल अमाउंट होता है, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा? प्रिंसिपल कहते हैं. इंटरेस्ट, दिस वन इज डिनोटेड बाय आई. द एडिशनल मनी पेड बाय द बोरोवर टू द बैंक और द मनी लेंडर फॉर यूजिंग हिज मनी इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है? इंटरेस्ट शुड बी डिफाइंड एज द एडिशनल मनी. ये एक एडिशनल मनी होता है जो कि बोरोवर, जिसने उधार लिया था, ठीक है, चाहे उसने उधार बैंक से लिया हो, चाहे वो किसी मनी लेंडर से लिया हो, ठीक है, और जो उधार उसने लिया था एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड तक उस अमाउंट को उसने यूज़ किया था, ठीक है. देन आफ्टर दैट व्हेन ही रिटर्न, then he will return some interest. This one is known as the additional money. ठीक है, इनिशियल अमाउंट के साथ जो अमाउंट हमें ऐड करके देना होता है, ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज इंटरेस्ट. टाइम, द टाइम इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल डी. द फिक्स टाइम पीरियड फॉर विच द मनी इज बोरोड इज कॉल्ड द टाइम. टाइम क्या होता है बेटा? एक फिक्स टाइम पीरियड होता है जितने समय के लिए हम पैसा मनी लेंडर से या फिर हम बैंक से उधार लेते हैं. रेट, इट इज़ द इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन ₹100 पर यूनिट टाइम. ठीक है, इट इज़ व्हाट? इट इज़ द इंटरेस्ट. रेट क्या होता है? रेट जो होता है वो इंटरेस्ट को डिफाइन करता है. ठीक है, इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन ₹100 पर यूनिट टाइम. ठीक है, पर यूनिट टाइम में हमें ₹100 पे करना होता है. दैट वन इज नोन एज रेट. अमाउंट, दिस वन इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल ए एंड दिस वन इज डिफाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ टोटल अमाउंट. ओके, टोटल अमाउंट, the total money paid by the borrower to the bank or the money lender is called amount, and this one is equal to what? Principal plus interest. This one is equal to what? Principal plus interest. Okay, now regarding to this, okay, we have the three parameters for determining the value of this one. See here, A is equal to what? P plus SI. Amount, this one is known as total amount. Total amount is equal to what? Principal plus SI. Okay, three parameters are there. If we determine the value of total amount, then total amount is equal to what? Principal plus SI. Okay, if we will determine the principal, then SI, okay, simple interest, or we can say interest is there, this will be shifted here. Then principal is equal to what? Total amount minus SI. If we determine SI, then SI is equal to what? Total amount minus principal. Okay, so this one is what? This one is the standard formula, okay, which will consist three parameters, and regarding to either we will use this standard formula, put the value and finalize the unknown value of the parameter, or you want to use different methods. Okay, different formulas are there. In the next video we will discuss some formulas, and after that the questions related to the simple interest. Okay class, thank you.